Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. So, my most popular video on this channel is my DIY gift box video, and if you haven't gotten a chance to see it yet, I'll link it in the description below. I got so many requests to do another DIY gift box similar to that video, so I decided to do another gift box DIY Valentine's Day edition. This DIY is a perfect Valentine's gift for your boyfriend, girlfriend, best friend, roommate, mom, and one of my favorite parts about it is that it is totally affordable. It's a super thoughtful gift that will not break the bank. This here is called an earlocks box, and I think it's called an earlocks box because these look like ears, or like, I don't know. I personally got it from a package I ordered, but I'm sure there are other ways you can get your hands on these. Someone commented that they went to a FedEx store. Do not fret if you do not have this exact kind of box. Any box will work fine for this DIY. That's the great part about it. You can totally personalize it any way you want. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more DIY videos. Okay guys, enough with the talking, let's get into it. Hey guys, voiceover Noelle here. The materials you'll need for this project are a box, acrylic paint, paintbrush and palette, twine, a glue stick, mini clothespins, pens or writing utensils, a mini envelope, scissors and cardstock, fun little Valentine's Day stickers, conversation candy hearts, paper shred, and a bunch of Valentine's Day candies. So the first thing you want to do is prep your box. Since mine came from Amazon, there were these stickers on it, so I attempted to peel them off, but as you can see, it did not work very well. But not to worry, I just painted right over it and it was totally fine. I found this super cute baby pink acrylic paint at Target. This part is 100% up to you and your creativity. You can totally do any design you want. In my last video, I did kind of a gradient effect. You can do patterns, you can make a picture, whatever floats your boat. If need be, you could do a second layer of paint, which is what I had to do. And I also painted the inside of the box, but you don't need to do this. This was just kind of an extra step. By the way, it's a good idea to line your workspace with newspaper, paper towels, just to keep your area clean so you don't end up with a big mess like I did. This is what my paint job ended up looking like. I was pretty happy with the results, and you couldn't even see the stickers. Now, to make this box even more Valentine's Day-y, I'm going to be adding these adorable stickers I found at Target. Now we are done decorating the outside of the box, and it's time to transition to the inside. So the first thing we're going to do is make our little note. And if you don't have a pre-made envelope, no need to worry at all. You can totally make your own with a piece of paper. But I found this really cute envelope, once again at Target, best place in the world. And I'm just writing a sweet little note to my receiver, which is my roommate. Stay tuned for her reaction at the end of the video. And all you have to do is glue the back of the envelope to the back of the lid. Now on to, I think, the wow factor of this box, the mini garland. You're going to need some twine, and all you have to do is measure out the length of your lid, plus a little bit extra because we're going to be tying some knots at the end. Make 2 dots for where you want your garland to go, and using a push pin carefully, please do not accidentally stab yourself. Make your holes, and also because twine is thicker, you're going to want to make your holes a little bigger. Simply thread the twine through the holes and make a knot at the end. Do this to the other end, cut off the excess, and boom, your garland is basically done. Now we gotta add the cute part. Take some cardstock, construction paper, whatever you have on hand. Here I'm just drawing 3 little heart shapes, but you can do any shape you want. Cut these babies out and write a sweet little message. I'm being like 100% basic in writing I love you. I know, I feel like I could have been more creative. You can be funny, you can be crude, just have fun with this. One of my favorite materials to use are mini clothespins. I found this pack of 50 at Walmart, but I've seen them at Target, the Dollar Tree. You're just going to take the little shapes you made and clothespin them onto the twine. Now we are basically done with the box. All you have to do is fill it at this point. So I'm taking this pink paper shred and putting it at the bottom of the box. If you don't have this, you can also use tissue paper, which works really great. And this part's a little bit extra. You don't have to do this, but I'm taking conversation heart candies and kind of sprinkling them around the paper shred for some extra cuteness. Final step is to fill your box. So originally I got these Haribo gummies because I know how much Emily likes these. However, they were too big to fit in the box, so I had to exclude them. So get treats that fit the size of your box. And again, I think I've said this a million times, but this is so personalized. You can fill this box with whatever you want. You don't have to stick to candies. You can do face masks, nail polish, I don't know what else. If you want to be bougie, you can put like makeup palettes and all that fun stuff. And just like that, you have your very own DIY Valentine's Day gift box for that special someone in your life. Whoever it might be, they will definitely love this gift. And that's it, a DIY Valentine's Day gift box for that special person in your life. I absolutely love it when you guys show me your recreations of these DIYs. So if you would like to show me what you're working on or what you're making, send me a DM on Instagram at JNoelD and let's have a conversation. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful in some way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Don't mind my wet hair. Just got out of the shower. Emily doesn't know why I'm recording.
I'm assuming it's for you too.
Yes.
Hello, subscribers. Welcome back to the channel.
Close your eyes.
Did you have a tattoo or something? Another piercing? That I haven't noticed?
Open.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh my gosh, Valentine's Day came early. My first Valentine this year. Oh my gosh, this is you painted. Oh my gosh, no way! I've always wanted my own little bus. M&Ms. I love these. These are better than regular M&Ms.
Agreed.
Oh my god, and there's these like hearts.
You don't have to eat those, they're just for...
This is so cute. I love this little envelope. Yeah, I'll be your gallant, I guess. I mean, if I have to be. Okay, guys. Bye.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's
Day. Stay away from boys. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh.